Yes. Now, in goat breeding, there are several challenges which we are facing. In goat breeding, there are some challenges which we are facing. Now, the challenge which is facing us here, you can see the feeding ground is very small. So if you don't have a feeding ground, then it becomes very difficult, because for you to rear these goats, then you must have a feeding ground. For example, you can see this one has given birth to a young one. She's there. The young one is there. So you can see. So goat breeding is in this area is done in a small quantity. So it is subsistence. Done on small number of goats because of the grazing field. It's very minimal. Grazing field is minimal. The area to graze is very small. So the farmer has to subdivide his shamba into two. That is the grazing area and the feeding area where he can feed his animal. Oh, yeah. So sometimes during a drought is very difficult to cope with the environment, so they have to sell some of their animals. But it's a good business. It's a good business because they are making a lot of profit from it. Yeah, this is the time. Usually they have given a birth. That is, so we are seeing several kids in the area. Several kids, because they have given birth. For example, you can see these kids here, the way they are enjoying, they are grazing and playing. So it's a good business. The way they are doing what? They're grazing. So this business, it's good, but challenges because it's agribusiness. It depends on weather. Agribusiness depends on weather. The weather is good, then you can see the yield is good because they will have area to graze. They'll have food in plenty, and once there's food in plenty, then even the yield will be in plenty. So you can see they are grazing. This is where they are grazing. So this place to keep them is done on subsistence because of what? Land. The land is very small. That's why most farmers, they don't want to do it on large scale. Thank you.